Algebra 1, this is our part 3 study guide video. This is our part 3. Okay, so we're going to continue with one-step equations. So let's start with one here, solving for x. Negative 6 over... No, let's erase that. Sorry about that. Not a good start. But let's start with negative 6 equals x over 18. Okay, so Mr. Keyspace, I don't like fractions. Why does it look so weird, the x over 18? That's not the way I usually see it. What did I teach you? Rewrite. Replace the numerator is always 1 over 18. The x is moved to the side, to the middle. That's all. So this is how the way we look at it, okay? So now we say, okay, so now I hate fractions. You say, now the next thing is you hate fractions. The first thing you got to do is look at the 18, okay? We're going to use the distributive property. We're going to multiply 18 on both sides. We pull it out. The 18 times negative 6 equals 1 over 18. Of course, the x is there. Now let's look at this. We cross cancel 18, so it's by itself x. Negative 8. No, I'm sorry, it's not even a negative. It's Mr. Keysby had a. It's not. You're not being too. He's not being careful right now. It's a positive 18. So it's positive 18 times negative 6. It should be what? Negative 108. So this is my answer. Okay. So this is the way you can rearrange your fractions and your variables. Okay. Just be careful on that one. Okay. Let's go to the next page. Let's go to a clean, fresh page, and work on a multi-step equation. Multi-step equation, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Multi-step equation. Now, Mr. Keyspace, what is a multi-step equation? It's gonna actually just telling you there's a lot of steps. There's just a lot of steps. We're gonna have to do a lot of solving, So let's write one out. Negative 5 times 1 minus 5x, I believe, and we have plus 5, and we do negative 8x minus 2 equals negative 4x negative 8x. Okay, cool. So now we're going to have to solve. All right. What do we notice about the left side of this equation and the equal sign here at the left side? Well, we have to use distributive property. Negative 5 times positive 1. Negative 5 times negative 5x. So we get negative 5. And then we have positive 25x, right? Same thing over here. Positive 5 times negative 8. Positive 5 times negative 2. That's negative 8x. So we go 5 times negative 8x, it's negative 40x, right? And then we have negative 10, 5 times negative 2, right? So we repeat negative 4x, there's nothing to simplify. Okay, so let's combine like terms for now, okay? So here we go. We grab the coefficients with the variables, right? I like to put a circle around them. And we have a negative 40x. Do we have any more? Let's go to the right side. We have negative 4x, and we have negative 8x. Okay, so now, let's grab our integers, okay? Negative 5, and we have negative 40. So we're combining like terms now. Okay, so let's grab another color. Let's grab the green. Okay, so let's put all the variables on the left side of the equal sign, okay? Let's put the equal sign right here. So let's go. There's already 2 I noticed that are on the left, so we just bring it down, okay? Positive 25x, use it up. Negative 40x, used it up. Now over here, let's look over here. Negative 4x is on the right side, so we need to bring them over, both of them. And if they go over the bridge, they change its sign. They're both negative, so they both turn what? Positive. Positive 40x, positive 4x, and negative 8x. All right? So now, let's look at our integers. They need to go over to the other side. And they're both negative, right? Negative 10, negative 5. So they're both going to turn positive when they go over to the bridge technique, the equal sign. So it's going to be 5 plus 10. Okay? So let's simplify this. If I do 25x, negative 40x plus 4x, negative 8x, I should get negative 3x equals 5 plus 10 is 15. Now, we cannot leave that negative next to a variable like that when we're close to solving for x. So what I like to do is multiply both sides, right? So negative times negative 3x is what? Positive 3x. 15 times negative is negative 15. Now, Mr. Keyspace, are we done? No, you're not done. We need to get rid of that number next to the x, right? We just were solving for x, right? So we divide both sides by 3, right? 3 divided by 3 is x. Negative 15 divided by 3 is what? Negative 5. So that's my answer. Okay, this is what is going to be similar to on your test. Please make sure you study in my Algebra 1 class. You have a whole week to study, okay? Now, we're going to be reviewing during the week as well. Just check your Moodle page and all the resources that I upload. You check your PowerPoints, check everything, you know, your homework, your class notes, very important. Anyone that's watching this video, please subscribe to my page. This is just a study guide. I will be adding more videos concentrating on certain topics only. So just subscribe, Mr. Q Math, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching.